Max class 10, chapter 3, exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Question number 1. X plus y equal to 14. Equation 1. X minus y equal to 4. Equation 2. From equation 2. X minus y equal to 4, x equal to this minus 4 plus y. Substitute the equation 3 in 1. X plus y equal to 14. X 4 plus y equal to 14. Here 2 y's. 4 plus 2y equal to 14. 2y equal to 14 minus 4. 2y equal to 2y equal to 10, y equal to 10 by 2. 5 times cancel. Y equal to 5. Now substitute the y value in equation 3. Substitute the y value in equation 3. X minus y equal to 4. X equal to 4 plus y. X equal to 4 plus 5. X equal to 4 plus 1, 9.